In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark from video in Canva. Before we begin, a quick reminder: only edit or obscure watermarks on content you own or have permission to modify. With that said, let's walk through a clean, practical way to handle visible watermarks using Canva's built-in tools. Start by opening Canva and creating a new video design or choosing a video template that matches your desired aspect ratio. A standard 16:9 canvas works well for most projects. Once your canvas is open, upload the video that contains the watermark. You can drag the file into the Uploads panel or use the Upload button. Then wait for it to finish processing. Drag your uploaded video onto the blank canvas. If it doesn't fill the frame, resize it by pulling from the corner handles so you maintain the original proportions. If the watermark sits near the edges, use the crop option on the toolbar. Drag the crop handles to trim out the area where the watermark appears, then reposition the video so your main subject stays centered. After cropping, resize again as needed to fill the canvas without distorting the footage. If the watermark is inside the frame and can't be cropped away, you can conceal it with design elements. Open the Elements tab and search for items like blur, cloud, gradient, or soft shape. Choose something that suits your video's style. Click to insert the element, then resize and move it over the watermark. To make the cover feel intentional, adjust the color to match your scene or brand palette. The transparency slider can soften the look, and a subtle blur or feathered edge will help it blend naturally. Fine-tune the placement so it hides the logo without distracting from the content. If needed, add a second element, like a gradient behind a cloud, or layer shapes for a cleaner blend. Use the Arrange controls to bring elements forward or send them behind text or other graphics. Next, match timing in the timeline. Select each element and drag its ends so it stays visible for the entire duration where the watermark appears. If your video includes cuts or multiple scenes, duplicate the element and position copies wherever the watermark shows up. Keep an eye on continuity so the cover remains consistent. When everything looks aligned, press play or preview to watch the sequence. Check edges, transparency, and timing. If something feels off, nudge the element, tweak color or opacity, and adjust durations until the cover is seamless. That's it. Your video is now set with a clean, polished concealment inside Canva.